Today on the show, we're diving into the history and evolution of yogurt. Yogurt, with its rich history of over 5,000 years, has evolved from a simple milk ferment to a globally loved superfood. Originating in Central Asia or the Middle East, it was accidentally discovered when milk fermented naturally in warm climates. Cultures such as the Turks, Persians, and Greeks not only embraced it as a food, but also valued its health benefits. Hippocrates, the ancient Greek physician, praised yogurt for its digestive advantages, laying the foundation for its health reputation. Through time, yogurt spread across continents, with every culture adding its unique twist. In India, yogurt is used in dishes like raita and lassi, while in the Balkans it's a daily staple. The discovery of fermentation in the 19th century further revealed yogurt's probiotic properties, enhancing its popularity as a digestive aid. By the 20th century, yogurt became commercialized, and brands like Danone introduced it to Western markets where it was embraced in various forms, such as Greek yogurt and flavored varieties. Benefits of yogurt. Digestive health. Yogurt is well known for its probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support the gut. For example, Sarah found relief from bloating after adding Greek yogurt to her diet. It helped improve her digestion and overall gut health. Boosting immunity. The probiotics in yogurt also help strengthen the immune system. Emma, a teacher, noticed fewer sick days after incorporating yogurt into her daily breakfast routine, boosting her body's ability to fight infections. Bone health. Yogurt is rich in calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth. Raj, a 70-year-old, made yogurt a part of his daily diet to maintain his bone strength and prevent osteoporosis, demonstrating its long-term benefits for older adults. Protein-rich. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, ideal for muscle repair and satiety. Michael, a fitness enthusiast, included it in his post-workout routine, aiding muscle recovery and helping him feel fuller for longer. Weight management. Yogurt, particularly low-fat varieties, can aid in controlling appetite, which is crucial for weight management. John found that swapping his regular snacks for yogurt helped curb his cravings, leading to gradual and sustainable weight loss. Drawbacks of yogurt lactose. Intolerance. People who are lactose intolerant may experience discomfort after eating yogurt. Rachel, for instance, suffered from bloating after consuming yogurt but switched to lactose-free options and found relief. Added sugars. Flavored yogurts often contain high levels of added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. John experienced weight gain from eating flavored yogurt daily but regained control by opting for plain yogurt with fresh fruit. Allergic reactions. For those with dairy allergies, yogurt can trigger severe reactions like rashes and swelling. Emily, who had a milk allergy, experienced discomfort after eating regular yogurt, highlighting the importance of choosing dairy-free alternatives. Exacerbating acne. Some individuals may notice that dairy products, including yogurt, worsen acne. Leah, who had clear skin, started noticing breakouts after consuming full-fat yogurt, which cleared up once she stopped eating it. Conclusion. Yogurt's long history and wide range of health benefits make it a beloved food worldwide. From promoting digestive health to boosting immunity, yogurt offers various advantages. However, it's important to be mindful of its drawbacks, such as lactose intolerance and added sugars, and choose the right type of yogurt that best fits your needs. With its versatility and numerous health benefits, yogurt continues to be an essential part of many diets globally.